I am Dr. Vijay Sudhakar. Here we are going to discuss the topic is an aptitude, in particular aptitude, age-based problems. We already seen the part 1. Now we are going to continue this part 2. Again, here I am explaining that the formulas. What are the formulas we are going to use in this? Here, important formula in ages. If the current age is x, then x times the age is nx. If the current age is x, then age n years later or ends, we are going to put x plus n. If the current age is x, then age in n years ago equal to x minus n. The ages in ratio a is to b will be ax and bx. If the current age is x, then 1 by n of the is x by n. Now we will discuss few problems in this case, the continuation of the last class. Now here ages of Rohi and Soy are in the ratio they given 3:5 when it is after 5 years. See, now we are going to initially assume that let ages of Rohi and Soy 3x and 5x. One thing they given after 5 years, so sorry, after 9 years, the ratio of their ages will become 3:4. Find the percentage. We are going to find the percentage of soil. Now after 4 years, after 4 years means we are going to add the value of the 9 in this. Here become what? 3x plus 9. Then what is 5x plus 9. After 9 years, the ratio becomes in the form of what? 3:4. Now we are going to cross multiply that. 3x plus 9 into 4. Then 3 into 5x plus 9. Then become what it is? 12x plus 36. Then 15x plus 27. We simplify that. 15 minus 12 become what? 3x. Then equal to 36 minus 27 become what? 9. Therefore x become what? 9. Now actually in this problem the question is find the present age of soil. Initially we assumed in this case here the soil age is in the form of what? 3x and 5x. So now here soil age you are going to find. So here x equal to 3x equal to 9 means x value become what here? 3. Now we are going to find out that the present soil age. Initially we assumed that the soil age what? 5x. So now the soil age, what is present soil age, initially we assumed in this what? 5x. Here we got the x value equal to what? 3. Therefore 5 into 3 is coming what? 15 years. Therefore the present age of soil is what? 15 years. You got it here? Initially they given the ratio is what? 3:5. Here you will be very careful in this. It is what? After 9 years. That's the reason we are adding the 9 in both the cases. After adding only the ratio become what? 3:4. Now we are going to make it in this cross multiply. We are getting the value of x equal to 3. By using that we are going to find the what? Percentage of soil. Percentage of soil become here 15 years. Now the continuation of that age problem. Second. The present age of a father is 3 years more than 3 times of the age of his son. Now here that be carefully here. Here the present age of father is 3 years more than 3 times the age of his son. Now we are assuming here let son age is what? X years and father age what is given here? 3 years more than 3 times. 3 times of what? Son. Son age we assumed initially x. That's why it is coming 3 times 3x plus 3 years more. 3 years more. That's the reason putting what? 3x plus 3. You got it? What I am assuming here? Initially, assume the son age is what? X. They given very clearly father age is 3 years more. At the same time, 3 times of the age of his son. So, age of 3 times of the age of son is 3 into x, 3x. Plus what? 3. 3 years ends. Now be careful here. This part is over. Now we are coming to the second case. 3 years ends. Now 3x plus 3. 3 years ends. That's the reason we are adding that x plus 3. 3 years ends. Father age will be 10 years more. 10 years more plus 10. 10 years more than twice of the age of the son. So age son twice. You got it? Repeat. I am repeating once again here. First we got it. Son of age is what? 3 years. Then father age is what? 3 years more than the 3 times. That's the reason 3x plus 3. After 3 years ends. 3 years ends. That's the reason we are adding the what? Both the sides 3. That will be here 10 years more than twice of the age of the son. Okay, now we simplify it. It is coming what? 3x plus 6. Then 2x plus 6 plus 10. Now 3x plus 6 equal to 2x plus 16. Now we are going to subtract that. That become 3x minus 2x become x. Here 16 minus 6 become 10. Here that x equal to 10. Now the question is, find the present age of the father. The present age of father, we initially assume the what? 3x plus 3. The present age of the father. We assume the what? 3x plus 3. 3x plus 3. We got the x value is what? 10. Therefore 10 into 3 become what? 30. 30 plus 3 what? 33 years. Therefore the present age of the father is what? 33 years. Now we will move on to the next one. The age of mother, 1 decade ago. 1 decade, that indicates what? 10. 1 decade means, decade indicates what? Values 10. The age of mother 1 decade ago was 3 times the age of her daughter. Okay. Now first we will assume this. Initially in this case, the age of mother and daughter. 1 decade. You be careful in this. 1 decade ago. We can assume this what? Here 3 times. The age of mother is what? 3 times, and daughter is what? X. So we are assuming in this. They given 10 years ends. What they given? 10 years ends. So that's the reason we are adding both the sides what? 3x plus 10. Then x plus what? 10. This 10 is what indicates, first one 10 indicates decade. That's the reason we are adding the first 10. After that we are adding one more 10. Here first 10 which indicates decade. Be careful in this. Because we are calculating this what? 10 years ago. That's the reason we are adding the first 10. And after the continuation of this problem, 10 years ends. The second 10 is coming. For the cases again we are going to add one more 10 in this. So 10. When you are going to add this 10, what is happening? Mother's age will be 2 times of her daughter. At the time of adding 10, what is happening means the mother age will be twice of her daughter. I will repeat once again this line. You should be very careful in this line. Here, initially we assume that mother age and the daughter age 1 decade ago is what? 3x and x. Here 1 decade ago. That's the reason we are adding the first 10. 3x plus 10, x plus 10. And after that 10 years ends. That indicates again that after 10 years you are adding in this. That at the time of adding the 10, what is happening means mother age will be 2 times twice of a daughter. Find the preposition of the current age. First we are going to find the preposition. We are aiming to find the preposition. First we will find the age of what? Mother and daughter. By using that we can find the what? Preposition. It's nothing but the ratio that we can find later. Now if you are going to do that, the simplification become what? 3x plus 20. Here it is coming 2x plus 20. Here the twice comes what? After adding 10 only. Here this also comes what? 20. Therefore 2x plus 40, 3x plus 20. Now simplifying this, 2x minus 3x minus 2x become x, 40 that goes here, 20, then what? 20. X value become what? 20. Now if you are going to see that our aim is to find the what? Preposition of current age. So that preposition, or you can say it is a what? Ratio. Preposition, or you can say it is a what? Ratio of current age is what we assumed in this what? 1 decade ago, that we are going to consider 3x plus 10, then what? X plus 10. By solving this we got the value of x equal to 20. If you are going to substitute in this x equal to 20, 20 into what? 3, that gives what? 20 into 3 plus 10 is to 20 plus 10. 20 into 3, 60. 60 plus 10, 70 into 10. Our aim is to find the ratio, no? We can cancel the 0. 7 is to 3. 20 plus 10 become 30. The ratio become what? 7 is to 3. Preposition of the current age become what? 7 is to 3. This is the answer for the question. So at the time of forming this line only you should be very careful, because here we are adding 2 tens. That confusion will come at the time of doing the calculation. First 10 indicates 1 decade. Second 10 which indicates what? 10 years ends. So accordingly you are going to make an equation, then solving it. Yes, good. Now we are moving on to the next one. The ratio of the present ages of x and y. Some name. So we are considering x and y is what? 3 is to 4. 5 years. So don't confuse here. 3 is to 4 is y. Don't consider it this way. 3 is to 4. This is x and y. After 5 years ago. This is happening only when? After 5 years ago. The ratio of their ages become what? 5 is to 7. Find the present ages. Now, the ratio of the ages, present ages, the given is what? The ratio of the present ages. Here, the ratio of the present age is what? 3 is to 4. So that 3 is to 4. Now, 5 years ago. Now we are using this what? 3a and 3a, 4b we can assume like this. Okay, good. Now let the ratio, we can assume like 3a is to 4b. 5 years ago. 5 years ago. What is happening in the changes? When it is 5 years ago, the ratio is changing. What way it is changing? The ratio of the ages become what? 5 is to 7. 5 years ago. So now 3a minus 5. 4b minus 5. The changes comes equal to what? 5 is to 7. Find the present age. We are going to find the present age. Now, in these cases, here we are going to cross multiply it. We can keep it 3a, 4a like this. We can keep it in the same way. 3a and 4a. Then we can find that. The ratio is what? 3 is to 4. That's the reason we can keep it in the both the form the same way. 3a is to what? 4a. I will repeat once again. We are keeping the same way. 3a is to 4a. We can find the value of a. From that we can find the present age. Now, the ages of x and y they given 3 is to 4. That we are assuming as a what? 3a is to 4a. 5 years ago, 3a minus 5a, 4a minus 5a, the ratio become 5 is to 7. And cross multiply this, what become? 3a minus 5 into 7. Then 5 into 4a minus 5. You cross multiply this what? 21a minus 35, then 20a minus what? 25. Here simplifying it is become what? A. Then here 35 goes that side, become plus 35, then become what? A equal to what? 10. Good. Now we got the value of A. From this we can find the what? Percentage. The percentages initially we assumed is what? 3a and what? 4a. Therefore, present age of x equal to what? 3a. Therefore, 3 into 10. What will come? 30 years. The present age of y. Present age of y we assume is what? 4a. Therefore, what will come? 4 into 10. That become what? 40 years. So now we are going to find the present age of what? X and y. Okay, good. I believe you are understanding this point. Okay, now we'll move on to the next question, the continuation of this. Sum of the present ages of two persons, x and y, equal to what? 75. Sum of the present ages of x and y. Instead of giving the name, they given x and y, whose summation given what? 75. So now sum of x and y, that indicates x plus y, that value is coming what? 75. If the age of x is twice that of y, that indicates x equal to y. The age of x is twice that of y. Okay. Find the sum of the ages, what? Ages 5 years ends. Now here the relation between the x and y, we got it what? X age is twice that of y. Okay. Now we are going to substitute x equal to what? 2y. Then we can put in this equation. X equal to 2y means 2y plus y equal to 75. Therefore 3y equal to 75. Then y equal to what? 25. If it is y equal to 25, okay. Now y equal to 25. Now from this we can find the value of x. X equal to 2y means x equal to what will come? X equal to 50. X equal to 50 we got it. Y equal to 25 we got it. Now find the sum of the ages 5 years ends. So the sum of the ages 5 years ends, that indicates what? 50 plus 5 and 25 plus 5. So now it become what? 55 plus what? 30 and become what? 85. So here first you are going to find the value of an x and y. By using this you are going to find the what? Sum of the ages what? After 5 years. Now the next question. The age of the father 3 years ago, be careful in this, 3 years ago was 7 times the age of his son. The present age, the father age is 5 times that of his son. What is the present ages of the father and the son? Now let the present age of son, we are assuming in this way, let the present age of son is what? X years. Here father age they given is what? The age of the father is 3 years ago was 7 times. 7 times the age of his son. Now the present age of father we are going to find. Let the present age of the son is what? X. Present age of, we are going to find both what? Present age only. The question is what? Present age. Therefore present age of the father is, what we are assuming, age is what? 5 times of the son. We are assuming son is x. The present age of the father is what? 5 times of the son. Present age. Read the word very carefully. Present age. So it is happening when it is 7 times 3 years ago. Now 7 times and what? 3 years ago. 3 years ago. First we consider 3 years ago. Now 3 years ago means what? 3 years ago. According to this word, 3 years ago, x minus 3, then what? 5x minus 3. Now here 3 years ago was 7 times the age of his son. 7 times the age of his son. Now this coming simplified is 7x minus 21, 5x minus 3. This is coming what? Simplify it what? 7x minus 5x, 2x. Now it goes that side plus 18. Now x equal to what? 9. So now the question is, what is the present ages of the father? Present ages, no age. So what is the present age of the father? And also we are going to find the son also, no? Both we are going to find. That's the reason they were given this. Yes. We are going to find both. Now here initially we are saying the son age is what? X. And the present age of father is also what? 5x. Here we got the x equal to 9. From this we can say that son age is what? 9 years. X value only we assume the son age, no? That's the reason x become directly the value of the what? Son age. Son age become what? 9 years. So from using this we can find the father present age. Initially we assume the father present age is what? 5x. Therefore father present age become what? 5 into what? X. X value we got it 9. Therefore 5 into 9, that's coming what? 45 years. So finally we are finding both the people's what? Present age. So here the given wording is right only. The what are the present ages of the father and the son. The son we assume the x we got it directly, the x value is a 9. By using this we can find the present age of the what? Father. Present age of the father is 5 into x, 5 into 9, that gives what? 45 years. So, okay, thank you.